Welcome back to Health Hustle. Today we're exploring the fiery world of cayenne pepper. Known for its spicy kick, cayenne pepper is more than just a kitchen staple. Stick around to discover 20 shocking uses of cayenne pepper you've never thought of. Let's dive right in with some health benefits you may not know about. Number 1. Pain relief. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which can help reduce pain by blocking pain signals in the brain. It's often used in topical creams for arthritis and muscle pain. Second, it aids in weight loss. Cayenne pepper can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories. Adding a pinch to your meals can support your weight loss journey. Third, improved digestion. Cayenne pepper stimulates the digestive tract, increasing the flow of enzyme production and gastric juices. This helps the body metabolize food and toxins. Fourth, it fights colds and flu. Cayenne pepper can help clear congestion and boost your immune system. A hot cayenne pepper tea can do wonders when you're feeling under the weather. Fifth, detoxification. Cayenne pepper helps stimulate circulation and eliminate acidity. It's a key ingredient in many detox drinks. Now let's move on to some surprising non-health related uses. Number 6, pest repellent. Sprinkle cayenne pepper around your garden to keep pests like ants and squirrels away. They dislike the spicy scent and taste. 7th, promotes hair growth. Cayenne pepper can stimulate blood flow to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. Mix it with olive oil for a natural hair mask. 8th, anti-irritant. Despite its fiery nature, cayenne pepper can reduce irritation from insect bites, stings, and even psoriasis when used topically. 9th, supports heart health. Regular consumption of cayenne pepper can help regulate blood pressure and improve circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. 10th, joint pain relief. Capsaicin creams made with cayenne pepper can alleviate joint pain from arthritis. Let's explore even more unexpected uses. Number 11, antifungal properties. Cayenne pepper can help treat fungal infections like athlete's foot when applied topically. 12th, circulation booster. Cayenne pepper improves blood flow, which can help in preventing blood clots and improving overall circulation. 13th, toothache remedy. A paste made from cayenne pepper and water can provide temporary relief from toothaches. 14th, anti-inflammatory. Cayenne pepper reduces inflammation and can help with conditions like osteoarthritis. 15th, regulates blood sugar. Cayenne pepper can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. 16th, cayenne pepper improves skin health. It can be used in face masks to increase blood flow and reduce acne. 17th, cayenne pepper offers migraine relief. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper can desensitize nerve pathways and reduce migraine pain. 18th, antibacterial properties. Cayenne pepper can kill bacteria and be used in natural cleaning solutions. 19th, energy boost. The spice from cayenne pepper can increase your energy levels and fight fatigue. And finally, number 20, it's a cooking enhancer. Beyond the health benefits, cayenne pepper adds a depth of flavor to dishes, making them more exciting and delicious. There you have it. 20 shocking uses of cayenne pepper you've probably never thought of. From health benefits to household hacks, cayenne pepper is a versatile powerhouse. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Hustle, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and stay hustling.